Are you looking for a gift for your plant-loving Valentine? Consider giving them a bleeding heart vine for Valentine's Day. The red and white bleeding heart vines are stunning tropical climbers known for their vibrant flowers that symbolize love and passion, making them an exceptional choice for Valentine's Day. The red bleeding heart vine features vivid red tubular flowers surrounded by contrasting pink papery bracts, creating a dramatic and eye-catching display. This fast-growing vine can reach 10 to 15 feet when supported, making it perfect for trellises, pergolas, or hanging baskets. Similarly, the white bleeding heart vine is equally impressive, with bright red blooms enclosed in white bracts, providing a striking floral display. These vines bloom prolifically in fall and winter, creating cascading clusters of flowers that attract butterflies and hummingbirds, adding life and beauty to any setting. Their heart-shaped blooms and lush foliage make them a meaningful and romantic gift, symbolizing enduring love and affection. Ideal for growing indoors or outdoors in warm climates, zones 9 through 11, they can also be potted and brought indoors in cooler areas, ensuring year-round enjoyment. Red and white bleeding heart vines are a unique and thoughtful Valentine's gift that grows more beautiful with care, much like love itself. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.